Good morning, children. Sai Ram. How are you all? Hope you all are doing good. Are you enjoying online session? Yes, very good. Now today teacher is going to explain you about English project. You have to make this project by yourself. Teacher will show you in this session how to do your English project. But before that, we are going to recap that what topic are we going to do in English project. So let's quickly recap. What are naming words? You know teacher has taught you about naming words. Can you tell me what are naming words? Very good. I can hear. We have seen that naming words are those which name the person, place, animals, or birds and things. Right? Now, we'll quickly recap the naming words that relates to person. The boy is laughing. What is the naming word here? What is the naming word here? The boy. The boy is a naming word that relates to person. Second, Rita likes to dance. Now, what here is related to a person? That is Rita. Rita and boy. These both words are the naming words that relate to a person. Rita is a girl and boy is also a person, right? Now let's see next. Underline the naming words that relates to place. Now you have to tell me which naming words from this relates to a place. They live in Thane. They live in Thane. What is the naming word here which relates to place? Thane. Very good. And the other one is my father works at hospital. Now where the father works? At hospital, right? Hospital is a place. So hospital is a naming word that relates to place. So they live in Thane. Here what is the naming word? Thane. My father works at hospital. Here the naming word is hospital. Let's see what is next. Underline the naming words that relates to animal. Here comes the animal. The monkey is climbing the tree. What here is related to animal? Monkey. Monkey is the name of an animal. I have a brown dog. What is here that relates to an animal? Brown dog. Yes. The animal dog. So we are going to underline the naming word that relates to animal. In the first sentence, monkey is related to the animal, and in the second sentence, the dog is related to animal. Now see what is next. Underline the naming words that relates to things. Now you have to underline the naming words that relates to things. Let's see what is that. She likes to eat ice cream. Now what is the thing here? Ice cream. Very good. He has a red car. What is the thing here? The naming word that relates to thing is car. So what are we going to underline? Ice cream and car. These are the two words that relates to things. So children, you very well know what are naming words, right? So now I am going to explain you about the project. Now in this project, the materials required are If you have chart paper, you can use chart paper. If you have A4 plain paper, you can use A4 paper. You can use tinted paper, or you can use any paper, whatever paper is available at your home. Whichever paper, or you have old books and you have remaining papers, you have remaining pages of that book, you can use that pages also. You need a pen, you need pencil, you need a scale, you will need a colors, you will need a sketch pen, you may need an eraser. Okay, so keep this all materials ready with you for the project. Now, the topic of our project is naming words. You already know what is naming words. Now, in this project, you have to choose any 10 alphabets of your choice and write person, place, animal and thing. Now, teacher will show you how to do that. Now, teacher has made a table here, okay, where there is a person, place, an animal and thing. Now, teacher is taking an alphabet A. So, first from the person, I will write from A name of a person. I wrote Anju. Then after person comes here place. So I will write place from A. I wrote Agra, but you can write Australia, America. There are many other places you can write of your choice. Next is animal. So from A I wrote alligator. You can write any other animal if you know. Now thing. From A I wrote apple. Now same way teacher will take now other alphabet. I will not take continuously A, B, C, D. I can take any 10 alphabets from A to Z. Now next alphabet is J. I took J. From J I wrote the name of a person is John. Now place. From J I wrote place Jaipur. You can write Jodhpur, Jaisalmer, any place of your choice. Now again from J I have to write animal. I wrote name of the animal is jackal. Now I have to write a thing from J, that is jug. Now next alphabet what I am taking is M. So I have to write a name of a person first, that is Mohan. From M the place name I wrote is Mumbai. You can write Manipur, Meghalaya, anything. Now animal from M I wrote is monkey. If you know any other animal you can write that also. The thing I wrote from M is mango. Clear children? Now teacher has written all this thing. The name of the place, person, animal and thing. If you have pictures, you can stick pictures also. You have to make this project very attractive. Okay? By whatever materials you have. Now teacher is having these papers at home. I am having this 3-4 papers at home. So using this paper, I am going to make a project. So the very first thing what I will do from the paper is, first I will make my first page of project. But for that I will need some decorative materials. I have to decorate my first page of my project work. So I will take colorful pens, I will take some decorative materials or whatever it is there with me at my home. And if I am not having anything to stick or decorate, I will use colorful pen and colors to decorate it. I will show you how. Now this is my first page. In your first page, you will write your name, you will write your standard. In your first page, you will first write your name, you will write your standard, division, you will write the subject. This subject is English. School, you will write the name of your school. Topic, the topic is naming words. As I told you earlier, the topic is naming words. Now to make this page more attractive, I can stick the stickers whatever is available with me. Or see, you can see at the sides what I have done here. You can see in the sides here, I have done a design with a colorful pen. So you can decorate this page as you want and as you like. Next page, I am making a column and like a table, writing person, place, animal and thing. Okay, then as I showed you example how we will write a name of a person, place and animal, thing. We can take any 10 alphabets of our choice. And see, can you see in the side in the border how I had decorated the page with a colorful pen? Because I am not having any, I don't have much stickers or decorative materials with me. So I will do it by colors. You, do you think this page is little decorative? See, here also I have used light colors to make my page more attractive, right? So you can also do as you like. So you can take any papers what is available with you. You can take plain papers, you can take lining papers, old papers are also fine. If you have chart paper, you can make in a one big chart paper, no problem. Do it as per your requirement and as the materials available with you. And teacher is going to check this project once the school reopen. Okay, and what you can do is in one page, if you are writing uh, three name of a person, place, animal and thing, like for example A, J and M, so next three you can write in a next page, and including our first page, the name page and the other project pages, you can staple it all together or you can make a hole with a punch machine and tie a satin ribbon. It is according to you. However you want, you can do it. Okay, so it is very easy. I hope you all understood and you all can do it by yourself. Wherever required, you can take help of your parent, but children, try to do by yourself. Okay, thank you children. So I am going to check this project once the school reopen. Do it well, do it nice. Okay, good luck. Thank you children. Sai Ram. And next we are going to meet soon in our next lesson.